What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today I am going to turn a modified Slimline pencil. This is not my original idea. I originally got the idea and process from Bob over at RJB Woodturner. I'll put a card up here to his video of his process. That's the video I used for this inspiration. So without further ado, let's go. Thanks for hanging out with me. This one was another fun turn as always. Here's the finished product. I really enjoy how this one came out. I love the blue and the orange colors. There's even a hint of purple in there. It is a one-piece pencil. The eraser is at the top here. You just take this little piece off and you have an eraser. You put that back on, click this a couple times, and the lead is ready to go. So there it is. Thanks for hanging out with me on this one. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll have links to my social medias in the description, as well as a link to my Patreon and possibly a few other things. So check those out, and we'll see you next time.